Urum Eke is a consultant to the World Bank and other international financial institutions. He hails from Abia State, southeast Nigeria. Mr. Eke has rejected President Bola Tinubu's nomination to represent the southeast zone on the board of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN. The rejection was announced on the floor of the Senate by the Senator for Abia North, Orji Kalu, during plenary on Thursday. Tinubu had earlier forwarded the names of kalu-eke and 4 others to the Senate for confirmation. However, Eke did not attend the screening exercise conducted by the Senate Committee on Banking, Insurance and Other Financial Institutions. But as the process of confirmation began, Senator Orji Kalu told the lawmakers in the Red Chamber that the nominee, Urum Eke, who was a member of his constituency, had called him to say he was engaged and consulting for some public and private bodies within and outside the country, and so will not be accepting Tinubu's nomination.
Urum Eke is my cousin.
The Chief Whip Emeritus, you churn out this report. The report is your own. So what do you want to say about it again? It's your report. Yes. You put it together. So, okay.
Mr. Urum Eke is my constituent, and he made a call to me, and he told me that there's a conflict between the new job he's doing and what he's going to be. He told me that it will be a conflict between the job he's doing now and the central bank, sitting in the central bank, because he's a consultant to the World Bank, to some businesses, private and government. So he informed the governor of central bank that he might be declined not to do the job. So this is the reason it did not come. So I support the 4 candidates nominated by Mr. President because they are very credible people. They are people of high reputation. Nigerians and the central bank needs them at this moment of our economy. So I support that the Senate should go ahead and confirm them without any wasting of time. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Chief.
The Senate, however, proceeded to confirm the appointment of the 4 other members of the Board of Directors of the CBN, namely Robert Agbede, Ado Yakubu Wanka, Professor Murtala Sabu Segagi, and Mrs. Muslimat Olanike Aliu. According to a piece credited to Punch Online, these are the facts you need to know about Mr. Urum Eke. Urum Eke was born on November 20, 1964 and attended the Comprehensive Secondary School, Aba, and Government College, Umuahia, the state capital, for his West African School and Higher School certificates, respectively. He obtained a bachelor's degree in political science from the University of Lagos in 1985 and earned his master's in business administration in projects management technology from the Federal University of Technology, Owerri, in 2008. Urum Eke is an alumnus of the prestigious Lagos Business School and the Wharton Business School, amongst others. He is a recipient of Nigeria's National Order of Merit and National Honor of Member of the Order of the Federal Republic, MFR. He began his career in 1986 with Deloitte, Haskins and Sells International as a senior auditor till 1991. Eke further served as executive director at Diamond Bank PLC for 19 years from 1992 to 2011. A consummate financial services expert, Urum Eke is a former group managing director at First Bank of Nigeria Holdings PLC. He also served as a non-executive director of the boards of FMBN Limited and FMBN Merchant Bank Limited. In 2017, he was appointed to the board of the Nigeria Sovereign Investment Authority, Sovereign Wealth Fund, and served until 2021. Eke is the executive chairman of Fairchild Group, which comprises Fairchild Capital Limited, Fairchild Base Investment Limited, and Fairchild Ventures Limited, amongst others. He is also the chairman of the board of directors of NSIA Luf Cancer Center, a foremost cancer treatment center in West Africa. Eke has over 35 years of experience in financial services, covering auditing, business assurance, and consulting.